So this is a very basic video. I'm going to walk you through the lengths, how to use the guards, but I'm also going to tell you some really good tips on how to use the guards. So the first guard is going to be a number 1 guard, and it's going to be 1/8 of an inch. That means it's going to leave 1/8 of an inch of hair left. And this states this on the left-hand side. The right-hand side is going to have the length in millimeters. Now, this will typically bring somebody's hair pretty low where you would see skin. It depends on the color and also the thickness of hair. Now we have a number 2 guard that is 1/4 of an inch. That means it's going to leave 1/4 of an inch left after you use it, or 6 millimeters. The number 3 is 3/8 of an inch, or 10 millimeters. These are all still very low guards. And when you get to the 4, that's going to be 1/2 an inch. So we're getting a little bit longer here. That's definitely going to leave a good amount of hair. 1/2 an inch is where we're really going to start to see a lot more of the length. A number 5 guard is 5/8 or 16 millimeters. And the 6 guard is 3/4 of an inch, or 19 millimeters. The 7th guard is 7/8 of an inch, or 22 millimeters. Now the final guard is a number 8. It is going to leave your hair exactly 1 inch long. Now technically there is a number 9 and a number 10 guard, but there's really no point in using those because once you get to 1 inch long, you're probably going to want to switch to scissors because the hair is going to be movable, it's going to be shapeable, and overall it's probably going to look better to use scissors around 1 inch length than just using your clippers. The 1/2 guard and the 1.5 guard are the magic guards. These are going to be blending guards. I do not recommend these for bulk because the teeth are very movable and it is very easy, especially with the 1.5, to create holes in a haircut if you're not careful, but they're perfect for blending. So how it would be in order is you would have the 1/2 guard followed by the 1 guard and then the 1.5 guard, and these guards are just going to help you blend in between a little bit lower than the 1 and then a little bit higher than the 1. A good trick in being a little bit more visual on how much hair is going to be left without pulling out a tape measure is to take the guard and pull it to the side. So how to put the guard on is super easy. I'm going to use one hand for this and just going to click the teeth into the top, and the tab on the back is going to secure it. On each set of clippers, there's going to be a lever on the side. This is going to change the length of your guard. If the lever is all the way down, it's going to be a little bit longer. So for instance, if I had a number 3 and I put the lever down, it would be a 3.5. If I had the lever completely up, it would just be a regular 3. This is very helpful in blending because you're going to be moving the lever up and down, and it's going to help to blend out fades. I hope this video was helpful for everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.